morning everyone. Hope everybody's well. Now the grader's been in here. Opened up the pool. It was all clogged up with sand. Water's very nice. High tide at the moment. I don't see anybody fishing. Oh, there. Who's that? Reg. It looks like Reg. Oh, let's take a walk down there and see if he's caught anything. I'll speak to you later. Cheers, everybody. I'll come down to Granny's. Reggie's here. They had one good knock this morning. But here there's a lot of shade coming out. Banana, Sea Park, all over. But down this side where we are, it's dead. Dead, dead, dead. Anyway, wherever you are, have a great day in tight lines. I'm picking up a few cowrie shells this morning. Make a bracelet. Anyway, cheers everybody. Speak to you soon.